Anh làm ở đây bao lâu rồi?
Khoảng 17 năm ạ.
Đây là cái gì?
Đây là bột rán bánh, bột mình chạy bằng băng tải xong rồi trong đó có nhiệt hơi nước.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm still in Tay Ninh and I wanted to visit a place where they make rice paper, and I met one guy in a coffee shop that he was happy to show me where they're actually making it. So we found this place. The place name is Mui Sơn. It's the factory. You see, it's quite big. We go this way and then that's the main entrance in here. So we have these two guys. Do is the guy who introduced me with Phuong, okay, and Phuong is the owner of this rice paper factory. Okay, so now we're gonna go. We have to wear the masks, of course. Now we're gonna head inside of the factory and we will see from the very beginning how they start making the rice paper, and we'll see how they're packing as well. We will see the whole process. So I think it's really interesting. So this is the main entrance in here. We've got a lot of motorbikes, obviously for the staff. Okay, so as we're going in, you see there's bags and bags everywhere. Got loads of bags with rice papers. Okay, we can squeeze through. Yeah, come on. Okay, so we've got people working there. Okay, so that's how it looks inside of the factory. We'll see if we can squeeze through somehow. Maybe we'll go this way. Okay, so we will go to the very beginning where the liquid is being poured on these plastic plates in here. Right, so the first step is to put these plastic plates. The first step is to put these plastic plates in here, and then it has to be cleaned. And once it's cleaned, it's going through the conveyor, and then we've got this liquid in here. And this liquid is a special liquid made from rice, chili, salt and other ingredients. Đây là cái gì?
Đây là bột rán bánh, bột rán bánh ớt á.
Yeah. Okay, so that's how it looks. It goes right in here, and then it goes through here all the way through here, and at the end it's a little bit drier and it goes straight on these plates in here. So we've got this conveyor and then it goes up. We've got one guy in here that he's controlling and making sure these plastic plates goes in a line, and then it goes inside this little structure. And if we look inside, we've got many conveyors in here. It goes inside and it's really hot in here, and that's where the rice paper is being dried. It's really, really hot in here. Wow. Okay, so let's move to the next step. As you can see, this structure is like a little house, a little hut. It's quite big. So what is the temperature inside? What is the temperature inside? How hot it is?
Ở trong đó là gì á? Mình chạy bằng băng tải xong rồi trong đó có nhiệt hơi nước. Ok, là làm cho bánh nó khô.
Okay, so it's really, really hot inside. Okay, so as you can see, on every single step, we've got people standing and watching and controlling it, making sure the liquid is pouring at the right pace. And then we've got another person making sure these plastic plates is stacked properly in line. We've got other people who brings the plates, so everything works with a sequence. And then from this big building here, from the very high heat, the rice paper comes in here, and as you can see, it's already drier. It's not as dry as yet. So we've got a couple people that are handling these plastic plates. Oh, okay, we've got some sun in here. So the rice paper, it's a little bit dry now. You see? This is non-stop in here. Just keep coming, keep coming. So these two ladies, they stacking. Then they're gonna have another person who will come to pick them up, and then they have to leave it here. So they leave here to dry a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. So this, so they're stacking everything here, as you can see, the piles and piles. And then if we move further, in here we have the drier bits. Okay, so in here, okay, so this looks ready, okay? Can I try? One sec. Okay, so that's dry already. And then we got another people who take the rice paper off and nicely stacking into the nice piles. Everything works with a sequence. All people know what to do. It's quick as well, efficient. And then as you can see, we got a little pile here, then we've got a little pile here. You see, we've got two more people working there. And then once they have loads of paper released from these plastic plates, that's a big pile in here. So this is already dried and it's ready to go into this room in here. And in this room, this is where they cutting rice paper into the pieces. So as you can see, we have a square ones and then we have a circle one. Okay, so that's the circle rice papers. And now they're packing, you see, they're putting on a scales, making sure they've got the right amount of rice paper in each bag, and then it's ready to go to the shops. Then we've got smaller bags in here. I think they will go straight to the shops as well. And here we have the machine that helps these people to cut the rice paper precisely into the right pieces. Okay, so that's how they're working. This is the end bit where they're packing in the bags, and then obviously it's being shipped to the shops. How long is he working in here? Anh làm ở đây bao lâu rồi?
Khoảng 17 năm ạ.
17 năm.
Dạ, 17 năm.
Một ngày anh làm bao nhiêu ký bánh tráng?
Một ngày 10 tiếng mình làm được 1.500 kg.
500 kg.
1.500 kg.
Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so in one day they make a huge amount of the rice paper, and that's every single day, same.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, and where they ship in Vietnam?
Mình sẽ phân bổ này ở đâu? Mình bỏ ở dưới miền Tây ạ. Miền Tây của nước Việt Nam ạ.
Oh, nước Việt Nam. So all over Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay, so this rice paper is being shipped all over Vietnam, and obviously it's a really nice process, you know. I think I will have maybe one bag to try it. I tried this paper before and it really looks tasty. Okay guys, that's the last bit of the video. See how people working hard, they're wearing masks, everything safely, no mess around, nothing, clean. She knows what to do, she knows what to do, and they know what to do, and that's how everything is being done. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I wanted to say thank you for the guy that showed me this factory too. Thank you very much. Cảm ơn rất nhiều. Phuong, cảm ơn rất nhiều. And hẹn gặp lại. Okay, see you next time guys. Bye bye.